Hello guys, my name is Deja. I am doing a tutorial on making my son the active boy shorts. This will be my very first video. I will have content of me creating outfits for me and my family. Please stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and turn your notifications on so you can be the very first to know when I post a video. Now let's get into this video, guys.
Tired of going out, scared of running into you. All of these whereabouts.
Today we'll be working on the Ellie and Mac Be Active Toddler Short Size 12 months pattern. This is how the pattern looks once it is assembled. I have already cut the pattern pieces out. You will need 2 front pieces, 2 back pieces, 2 front bottom, 2 back bottom, 1 waistband, 1 3/8 inch of elastic. With 1 front piece and 1 bottom front piece, we are going to place the front bottom piece to the front piece right sides together, making sure we are matching the mirror sets. We are going to be clipping everything together gently around the curve. Now we have clipped that set. We are going to do the same for the other front set and both back sets, clipping everything together. Then we are going to go to the serger and sew everything together. Now we have sewn all the pieces together. We are going to place the front leg piece to the back leg piece right sides together, matching up the raw edges and clipping them together. We are going to repeat the same step with the other leg, and once we complete clipping those together, we're going to go to our serger and sew it together. Now that we have sewn the pieces together, we are going to place the 2 leg pieces right sides together, align the raw edges, and clip them together at that crotch curve. And then we're going to go to our serger or sewing machine and sew the pieces together. Now that we have sewn the crotch curve, fold the shorts so that they are right sides together, align the inseam, clip them in place, and now we're going to go to our serger or sewing machine and sew them together. Now we have sewn it together, we're going to hem the bottom of the shorts. Making the shorts a professional look, we're going to measure it 3/8 of an inch and fold under. We're going to press the seam and repeat the same on the other side. And then we're going to go to our sewing machine and we're going to do a double twin needle stitch all around it. For the waistband, we are going to fold the waistband right sides together. We're going to pin the raw edges and we're going to serge them together at our serger. After we have sewn them together, fold the waistband up wrong sides together. Align the raw edges. Now for the elastic casing, we are going to measure a 2-inch gap on the back of the waistband. Mark with a pin. This area will not be sewn. It will be used to insert the elastic after we have sewn the casing. Then we're going to measure 1 inch from the top folded edge of waistband. We are going to sew that 1 inch, leaving that 2-inch gap. Then we're going to measure down 1/2 inch from the first stitch line, sew around that 2-inch gap, going to measure down 1/2 inch for the third time from that stitch and sew it around using a straight stitch. Your waistband should now look like this. You should have 3 equal casings with a 2-inch gap. Starting with the top line, you will insert the elastic into the casing thread all around the waistband. Pull elastic out the other end. Overlap the elastic 1/4 inches and sew together. Repeat this step with the other 2 casings. Straighten out the waistband and sew each casing closed at that gap. Now your waistband should look like this. Now we are going to quarter the waistband into 4 quarters with the clips and do the same with the shorts. Place the waistband onto the shorts, right sides together. Match the clips from the waistband to the 4/4 seams of the shorts. Continue clipping the waistband around to the shorts, gently stretching as you will sew this together and press the seams. Now here's the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.